What up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're checking out a new phone from Umidigi. This is the A13 Pro 5G budget-friendly phone here. But I wanted to get this out, just a quick unboxing. Tomorrow, November 1st, they are doing a giveaway, and there are sales on these devices all the way up until November 11th. So I'll drop the links below. You can check it out, and maybe you can win yourself one of these phones. But beyond dreams, Umidigi, again, just a quick unboxing. I'll come back in a few weeks with a full review of this device. I'll throw my SIM in it tonight, my second phone, and we will rock with this phone for the next week or two. And I'll come back and I'll give you a full review. But just a quick unboxing. We're going to take a look. We'll go over all the specs so you guys can see what you might be able to win tomorrow, November 1st. Again, I'll drop the Twitter link, guys. And if you're new to the channel, hit that like, drop a sub. But let's check out the A13 Pro 5G. We'll go over the specs too. And on the back, it does tell us about the specs here. But we'll go over that in a minute. I want to get in, take a look at this device, and check it out. Again, 5G on here. There are some good specs on this device, guys, for the price. So right away, look at this. We get a case. Of course we get a case. Just a TPU rubber case, but we get a case nonetheless. Now, I do really like the color on here. Look at that little color. You can see the texture on the back, so we're going to get a grip. Now, this is a plastic device. 6.5-inch display on here. You can see 5G. We do have the Dimensity 700. We do have a 6.5-inch 1080p display with a 90 hertz refresh rate. We have the triple camera setup on the back, 48 megapixel main shooter, 16 megapixel wide, and a 5 megapixel macro, and the 24 megapixel front camera. Look at the size of the battery on here, 5150 milliamp battery, 18 watts fast charge, and we are running Android 12. So come on, man, let's take this off. We'll take a look at the display. We'll turn it on in a second. But on the back, you can see what we have in the back. So you can see the 48 megapixel, the 16 megapixel. We also have an infrared thermometer. So there is a sensor in there where if you wanted to, I don't know, measure your temperature, you're going to be able to do that. And that's actually a really cool thing in this day and age with all of the, the pandemic and all that went on with that. And the flash on the back as well. Now, the volume rocker up and down. 2 SIM cards, 2 nano SIM cards you could put in here, or 1 SIM card and 1 TF card. If you, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Customizable button, so there is a button on the side that is kind of your shortcut button. You can assign 3 different apps, and it will open up those apps with 1 push, 2 push, or 3 push. And we'll take a look. This is a nice size phone. I do like the size of this phone. Let's take this off, and then we'll see what else comes in the box. So again, we already got the case. You know there's going to be a charger. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. I hate these little things on the back, especially when they do that, right? That's kind of a pain, but we'll get that off. It is what it is. Now, inside of here, see what else we get as this thing is starting up. Manual, we do get the SIM tool tray, of course. And of course, we do get the power brick. So 18 watts of charging on here, and the cable. This is USB-A to USB-C to charge this guy up. Now, no wireless charging on here, but again, pretty good battery life on here. We're gonna get some good battery life. 5150 milliamp battery on here. Again, 90 hertz LCD display. So, the blacks they're not gonna be true blacks, but we'll see how it is. Now, I'm gonna throw my info in here and we'll be right back. All right, guys, let's take a look at the phone real quick. So this was just a sticker, everything peeled off. It looks very clean and very nice. The branding here on the bottom, this pattern on here does give you a little grip. Of course, the camera setup on the back with the thermostat, of course, and we'll test out the thermostat and see how it does. You do have to kind of touch whatever you want to measure. You do have to touch it with the sensor to get an accurate reading on here. Now on the bottom, we do have the headphone jack is back. That's what I'm talking about, the headphone jack. So I know a lot of you guys still love the headphone jack, and we have it on here. USB-C to charge this guy up, and 1 set of speakers here on the bottom only. Now again, on the side here, this is our shortcut button. If I could hold the phone, we'd have shortcut button here. So again, 1, 2, and 3 taps will allow you to open up different apps, and we will test that out. Now up here, this is your SIM card tray, of course. So double 2 nano SIMs if you want. Or you can set up a 1 SIM card and a TF card if you want, or a micro SD card. Now the volume up and down and the power button does also work as a fingerprint sensor. So we'll try that out real quick. I do have it set up. Now it does take a minute for it to come on. It's not the fastest, it's not the snappiest, but it does work. Now there are some haptics on here as well. The haptics are just okay. Nothing special when it comes to haptic feedback on here, but you can feel it and you can definitely hear it. But you can see the fingerprint sensor on here does work fairly well. Not bad at all. It hasn't missed once yet. And I only have one thumb imprint in here. We are just starting out with this device. So I'll add more. We'll do the right and the left when we do the full review, and we'll check it out. But overall, not bad so far. Now, again, snappiness on here. There is a little bit of delay here and there, so it will take a minute to get used to, but we are running 90 hertz, actually out of the box, 60 hertz. So let's go in and change that. And let's see, go into settings. Display, it's got to be under display. Advanced. Rotate. Smooth display. So you can see here under smooth display, automatically raises the refresh rate from 60 to 90 hertz. So we will turn that on, and now we will have a little smoother of an experience on the display. I like it, man. Anytime we can get a better refresh rate on a phone, I don't care what the price of the phone is, I am all in. Now we're going to test the side key again. This is the quick key. Let's go in and we'll see what it's set at so we know what we're looking for. So if you go into settings, it's under smart key. You can do single click is to open your thermometer. Your double click is your open your flashlight, and long press is open SOS. Can we change that? I don't want that. We will do a screenshot with long press. So we'll do, or actually let's open up an application. Even though I don't have anything set yet on here, we will open up the Play Store with a long press. So open Play Store, double click should be the flashlight, and the thermometer should be the single click. So let's just do it. One click. There is the thermometer, and perfect time to test this guy out. Now here you can see this is in Celsius or Fahrenheit. We will touch the skin and we will do a measurement. 96.6 degrees Fahrenheit for all you people in Celsius. You can go in and you can change that, 35.9 degrees Celsius. Now we'll double tap and it should open the flashlight. It did, and we'll double tap again to turn it off. And if we touch and hold, it should open up the Play Store. Touch and hold, and right to the Google Play Store. I love this feature. I'm not gonna lie. I hope more and more companies throw something like this on their phones. I think it's brilliant because we all have a go-to set of apps on a device. But look, the A13 Pro 5G, if you are on a budget, we're going to take a bunch of pictures. We'll go over the cameras, the video in the full review, but this is a first impression, just a first look, and you can go win yourself one of these tomorrow. I'll drop the Twitter link below. They are doing it on Twitter, and check it out, man. Good luck, guys, with the giveaway. Good luck. Again, these are on sale again till November 11th. I like the phone. If you're on a budget and you need an Android phone, this might be a good pickup. But again, maybe I'll do the review in about a week. So I'll speed it up a little bit. I'll throw my SIM in it tonight right after this video, and we'll go from there. And I'll come back and let you guys know. If you want a headphone jack, you got a headphone jack. But that's it, guys. I'll be back soon. First impressions are good for the price. Again, this is right around $200, and on sale, you're going to get it for cheaper than $200. So first impressions on the A13 Pro 5G. We'll test out 5G as well. I like it so far. That's it, guys. I'll be back soon. Peace.